Hey guys, what's up? This is PK Tech, and in this video we're gonna take a look at how to install Cydia or how to jailbreak iOS 8. Yes, Pangu has finally launched the new one-click jailbreak utility for iOS 8, and this jailbreak does support Cydia installer. So guys, I'm really excited to show you this procedure, and let's not waste any further time and get right into this procedure. Alright, so guys, what you need to do first is that you drop down into settings. Alright, in settings you need to turn off touch ID and password. Once you have done that, what you need to do next is that drop down into iCloud settings and scroll down and turn off Find My iPhone. So once you enter your password, you will see that it is under process that Find My iPhone. So Find My iPhone has successfully been turned off. Alright, so guys, we have done all the required settings for jailbreaking iOS 8. So what next we need to do is that you need to get a Windows computer and a Lightning 8-pin data cable. So if you do not have a Windows PC or Windows laptop, what would I recommend you is that you should make a virtual machine onto your Mac like I'm using, or you can also run parallel desktops. So guys, let's not waste any further time and get right into this. So I'll just connect my iPhone via a USB data cable. Now what you need to do is that, guys, I'll just go drop down into the Windows 8 64-bit the virtual machine that I have created. Alright, so guys, here as you can see, the link is right there in the description, en.pangu.com. Here you will see that this is the English version for Pangu, and here we have the download option. Pangu says that in some time it will soon launch the Mac version, but I prefer to use Windows for Pangu at it, as Pangu jailbreak utility works best on Windows according to me. So just tap download and you need to download this one. I've already downloaded this Pangu 8 version 1.1, and you need to have the latest version of iTunes installed. Now once you have done these all settings, what again we need to do is that we need to go into the VMware virtual machine options and go into USB and Bluetooth and connect Apple iPhone. Alright, so guys, again as you can see, I got the charging option right over here that my iPhone is again charging, so it has been read successfully. You will get an option to trust this computer, alright, the virtual machine. So I'll just tap trust. Again here as you can see, it asks to prompt that do you want to give access to Puneet's iPhone or not. Just tap continue. Alright, so guys, everything has been set up. Now what you need to do is that just click on select the Pangu 8 and right click over it and run as the administrator. It will prompt you for the permission for administrator. Tap yes and it will launch Pangu. This version, as I told you earlier, is the English version and it is like initializing. Please wait, we need to wait for some time. It says connect to device and click the start button, means it is not reading my iPhone. It detected a new iPhone now, and it's the iPhone 5, Puneet's iPhone 5 A1429. Alright, so guys, now as you can see over here that 25pp option is vanished again, as previous in iOS 8.1.2 also this happened, and I recommended you last time to not uncheck the option of 25pp. Hope you guys really obeyed my instruction, and this time as you can see it's done. And also Pangu recommends to take a complete backup of a device, as it's according to me none of the data would be vanished, but then too we cannot guarantee something, so you can take entire backup for your device. Just tap start jailbreak. Again it's asked that the jailbreak can lose your data, whatever I told you right now. And also now what it says is to switch your device into the airplane mode before jailbreak. Okay, so what you need to do is that just drop down just control center and tap on the airplane icon right over here. So now your device is into the airplane mode. It's just final cleaning. The jailbreak process is almost, means it's on the end edge. The last process is going on, the final cleaning up task. and the Pangu jailbreak has been succeeded. Alright, so guys, now our device will reboot once, so the Cydia and the Pangu app will be visible to us. We can have access to them. And I just felt the vibration. That now means the iPhone should start away right away a bit time. So the iPhone has now rebooted successfully. I have the network and the Wi-Fi is now connected. I'll just slide, and if I go to the next page, you can see this Cydia and Pangu. Both are now available. So I'll just tap on Cydia, and now it's preparing. It should prepare for the file system. It says again the storage almost full. Please ignore this message. Yes, this is because during the jailbreak process, the Pangu jailbreak utility installs many files, so it shows this error. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I got the Apple logo right over here. It's just rebooting your device again. The Cydia has now finished the process of preparing the file system, and the final process has also been completed. The iPhone is now fine working. I'll just tap on the next page and just tap over Cydia, and now we will have access to Cydia. Alright, so it says now it's working perfectly fine. Now the version of Cydia this has jailbreak utility has installed is version 1.1.15. Yes, so you don't need to worry about anything. Like the last video I had for updating to Cydia installer version 1.1.15, that video will you don't need to have access to do something, upgrade something like that, as this is already the updated version. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick tutorial on installing or jailbreaking iOS 8, and this was the fastest or the easiest one-click jailbreak ever launched for iOS 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you, then please to give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to PKTech, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video.